Alam mo ba na pati mga kilalang personalidad tulad ni Direk Gina Alahar at aktor na si Mr. Geoff Eigenman ay na-experience na rin ang EYS app. Gamit ang app ay nahanap nila agad ang mga skilled workers na kailangan nila, mabilis, maayos at hassle-free. Tingnan muna natin ito.
Hey guys, meron akong bagong app na discover and it is called AYS.
Dinownload ko ang AYS, App Your Servicio.
They offer services that you can think of anything under the sun na kahit na anong kailanganin nyo with your everyday, AYS has it.
Nandito sila lahat, yung may mga services kung ano ang kailangan nyo within your vicinity. Like, eto, nandito ako dito sa bahay ko, somewhere in the south. So, if I need a house cleaning, meron siyang services na yan. At mura lang. For 600 pesos, lilinisin yung bahay mo. Isa lang yan, pero maraming choices.
Laundry, they have bookkeeping, house cleaning, lahat ng mga services na kailangan nyo for the house, outside the house, personal stuff, work stuff.
If you want Swedish massage, it's there. It's there. If you want aircon maintenance, it's there for 719 pesos. Nandito, ano pang hahanapin nyo? It's a one-stop shop. Just today, I was blessed with a smart toilet from Kanzen. Sasagot siya sa'yo?
Yes po, actually
Ano sasabihin niya?
hello toilet. Turn up the volume.
Talagang state of the art. If you wish to have the Kanzen smart toilet, AYS can install it for you.
Any service that you can think of, AYS is your guy.
At your servicio. Now na! Come on!
Kung sila natuwa sa serbisyo, paano pa kaya ikaw? Kaya kung naghahanap ka rin ng maasahan at skilled service provider tulad ni Direk Gina at Mr. Geoff, download mo na ang EYS app. Message mo lang ako para matulungan kita kung paano ka makapagsimula.